Hello guys and gals, it's Justus from Juice Wills Entertainment here. For this year's Niagara Falls Night of Art Queen Street edition, myself, my longtime collaborator Enzo, and our friend Nish from Niagara Murals have got together to build an idea that's a little bit different than we've done in the past. Taking the letters off the wall, we're going to bring you something a little bit more interactive that you can walk around, enjoy from all angles, see the colors of what might be on the back side of a usually two-dimensional piece. For now, here's a taste of some of the stuff we've done in and around the city in the past years. Enjoy!
It will remind my heart of your desire.